In B2B sales, it's crucial to manage not only individual contacts, but also the companies they are associated with. Today, we'll look at how to work with companies in the CRM. The Companies section helps you systematize and structure data about clients at the organizational level, not just as individual contacts. So let's go to Contacts, then to the Companies section and click on the Add Company button. Here you'll see the following fields to fill in: company name, current email address, messenger the company uses. You can add the annual revenue and select a currency. Enter the business address, street, building number, and city. Add company employees. These representatives' contacts will also be added to the Contacts section. You can also attach files to the company so that materials are accessible to everyone who works with it. Click the plus sign on Add File, choose from your account storage, or upload a new file from your device. You can also add your own custom field by clicking the plus sign on Add Field. Now let's break down the connection between a company, contacts, and deals. In the CRM, a company is an object that consolidates all data related to a specific business client. This could be a legal entity, an organization, or a partner. Within a company's profile, you can see all the employees of that company as separate contacts, view all deals you've had or are currently working on with them, and store notes, tasks, documents, and communications. In the card for any company you've selected, you can add related contacts, such as a purchasing manager, accountant, or director. You can also select existing contacts from a list or create new ones. If you go to the Deals tab, you can see all deals that have been created with this client. Even if the deals were linked to individual contacts, as long as those contacts are associated with the company, they will automatically appear in the company's main list of deals. Using the Companies section, you can store and view company information and link contacts to them. This feature helps keep your B2B data organized and provides a full overview of your relationships with business clients. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to transfer UTM tags from your website's subscription and payment forms into the CRM.